Hello Capricorn, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul vibrational messages. Today I'll be using tarot and I'll also be using pendulum to check your general energetic system called chakras, also known as auras or energy points in your body. And with that said, I wanted to remind you that this is a general energy reading. Also, I've premeditated and shuffled this deck, primarily focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. Also, I would like to say that we are officially in Virgo season, and I've been pretty much calling upon this blue moon, full moon energy for us to see what it has to tell us, see where we're at, and hopefully this message resonates with you, Capricorn. I thank you for being here. Please like, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Add me to your list. I'm giving it a few more shuffles just to see if anything else wants to show up for us. Okay, you get two major arcanas. Okay, definitely that sense of you're going into calmer waters. The Six of Swords speaks about transitioning, moving on, accepting lessons. And the sun and the moon, so beautiful because it brings this polarity. It brings this like meeting of your soul, your spirit, your body, right? Like looking into the sun and being positive and optimistic and confident and very truthful with yourself amongst the unknown, amongst the illusions, the vague energies that you don't really understand. I think that you're going into calmer waters and you're bringing in balance and you're using earth and its elements, such as the sun and the moon, to again bring you in a better state. Like, I feel that this message is very, very creative, very forward moving for you, Capricorn. You're definitely looking at it from a different perspective, a more like youthful perspective. You're learning to bring balance into both your wild and your tamed. And you're bringing in definitely this balance that is very much going to help you, that is bringing in these energies that are going to help you push forward and honestly be in a much better place mentally. And possibly physically too. You know, you're very much going to be present in that balance. But I think that mentally, specifically, you're going to be in a good space. I feel travel. And you truly enjoying that travel. Six speaks a lot about communication, you cooperating with what the universe is bringing onto you. I see harmony, I feel harmony here. There's this, like, again, these two, it's like your polarity. It's like your feminine, your masculine. It's like your hard and your soft. You're providing, you're nurturing. Definitely beautiful energies coming through for you. I think that although we're in Virgo season, it is earth element Virgo, and this particularly full moon or blue moon in Pisces is bringing you a lot of that, a lot of movement, water, which is like feelings and emotions, and I feel like it's bringing you stability. It's gonna definitely bring some sort of enlightenment for you as well. So I hope that this message totally resonates. Just be prepared for major changes, but have faith in the universe and in spirit that they have your back, because they definitely do. You're moving into, like I said, calmer waters, and there's more to know. There's like these things that you're seeing very clearly, and then there's this thing that you're like, that it's in the unknown, but it's in a good place though, because again, they're both are present, the sun and the moon. So whatever you don't see coming, I think it's going to come in good, optimistic changes, or like in a good place where you're going to be able to, like, again, take it with like, with happiness, with optimistic. I keep saying optimistic because it is. It's like you having faith in the universe, and you very much being in a happy place, per se, amongst insecurities, I guess you could say, because especially this being in the middle, to me, it brings this balance of just confidence, positiveness, vitality, definitely happiness. So I hope that you stay in this energy, definitely, and allow just the moon to eventually bring in stability, and show your insecurities, and allow your to move them forward in a positive way. Okay, thank you so much. I hope that this message resonates with you, Capricorn. With that said, I will move on to your general energetic system, to your chakras, see where you can give a little bit more attention to, or be more mindful of, in order to, again, bring more prosperity, more balance into your aura field. Root chakra. Was it the root chakra for Capricorn? Yes. Thank you so much, Pendulum. Okay, so your root chakra, it's very much, again, earth. It's very much the color red. It is what makes you feel secure and connected to this earth. So wear a lot of this color, eat a lot of this color, fruits and vegetables, meditate on the color red. It speaks to your base, to your root chakra, okay? So it's a connection to earth. It's grounding. It's your stability. It's balance, trust. It's your physical health, your nourishment, your strength, family, your roots, security, survival, prosperity. So focus on those keywords, bring in more light, know what you're feeding yourself, how you're nourishing, what makes you feel secure. Again, focus on your family, be more outside, working with plants. Like I said, eat more natural stuff, and that hopefully will bring in a lot more balance, and will continue to definitely, raise your vibrations. So thank you so much, Capricorn, for being here. Like I said, I hope this message resonates with you. Please like, subscribe, add me to your list. Once again, I appreciate you, and I'm sending you the best of vibes. Thank you. Ciao.